Welcome to my last Christmas special. Today we're making a very special treat, Aquafaba and Spirulina Christmas trees. The recipe is in my ebook. It's called 9 plant-based Christmas cookies. Aquafaba is chickpea water, and you need to trust me here, it's amazing. You won't taste any chickpeas. In a deep bowl, beat your Aquafaba with the lemon juice to stiff peaks. You can also add some real vanilla if you want. And add your cane sugar in 2 batches. Beat to stiff peaks again and rub a tiny amount between your fingers to check if your sugar has dissolved. Add your cane sugar in 2 batches and beat it to stiff peaks again. You can rub a tiny amount between your fingers to check if your sugar has dissolved. Okay, now add the spirulina to the mixture and mix until it's just combined, and use a spatula to spoon the mixture into a piping bag with a star tip. And gently squeeze the bag to pipe Christmas tree shapes onto parchment paper. So they need to bake on the bottom rack in the oven at a very low temperature, 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Flat 2D shapes will need 1.5 up to 2 hours, and bigger 3D shapes will need 2 up to 3 hours. The Christmas trees are done when they come off the paper with ease, and I usually turn off the oven and leave them in there overnight, and you can store them in an airtight container for a few weeks. I hope you've enjoyed this series. Check out all my other videos and my ebook 9 plant-based Christmas cookies. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Cut.